Hey, what's going on, YouTube? I'm gonna solve this Rubik's Cube for you guys. First I'm gonna unscramble it and then solve it. Hopefully I can do it under 2 minutes. Okay, it's scrambled and now trying to solve it. Okay, here we go. Okay, there you go, YouTube. I just solved it. That was probably 1 minute and 30 seconds. But, so there you go. And I'm going to try to post a video. My brother and I are going to break a box of 0708 SPX basketball. It'll be on his account, and I'll put a link to the right. Okay, thanks for watching. Please rate and subscribe. Thanks.